Please check with your local authorities on potential beach closures. Local area emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of Lake County Emergency Management. A situation has occurred requiring emergency response actions to Baldwin Community Schools as to ensure the maximum possible safety for the site and community. Area police and responders are on the scene to assess and manage the situation. Please do not respond to the school. Students will be transported to the Yates Township Hall for reunification and pickup. Address is 6437 South, Nelson Road, Idlewild, Michigan. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WZ2560.